So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Niagara outlet and we are here kind of a shopping slash getaway vlog thing because I was working from home from last 15 days and I haven't been out. पिछला Saturday Sunday भी I was home because it's so hot here in Canada. आज भी 33 degrees Celsius है and it feels like 40. So I'm super duper exhausted already. मैंने पहले प्लान किया था कि घर से ही व्लॉग करने का बट इट वॉज सो हॉट एंड वी वर स्टक इन द ट्रैफिक फॉर 3 hours. इट टुक अस 3 hours फ्रॉम आवर प्लेस टू नाइग्रा आउटलेट. कैन यू गाइज इमेजिन? एंड यही आई थिंक इमरान 1 घंटे का ड्राइव है. सो आई एम so done already. So it's kind of a mini shopping, I don't know, whatever it is, but I wanted to get out from my house. So हम लोग आज आउटलेट आए हुए हैं. Maybe we'll plan Niagara on the Lakes after this. Hopefully अगर थोड़ी सी हिम्मत हुई because it is actually, I'm not exaggerating, बहुत ज़्यादा कनाडा में गर्मी है. I don't know, it feels like Delhi का वो 45 degree 50 because sun is straight, like sun is on your head, ऐसे लगता है. So before I start anything, I want something really chill to drink out because I cannot function without something जो मेरी body के अंदर पहले थोड़ा सा कुछ chill जाए. So we are searching for something to have first and then start our shopping. So let's go and first drink something and let's go and shop. If you buy any mango diamond slush, one and 50% of the other. So we'll get these two.
It is 20 if देगा पर this is
अभी तो बहुत टाइम है.
नहीं अभी नहीं है. This is
Oh shit, sorry. Cancel it. ये 23 से 25 है. So Imran, this is the mango diamond slush. I think let's go with the medium. Free mango chunks, yeah.
okay.
No. Oh my god guys, I'm so much sweating right now. You can see from my face. I don't know it's visible in the camera or no. Sweating जो है ना Canada में, it's very rare. Everything is bothering right now. I don't like this chains and stuff. I want to go back home, get off everything and just lay down on my bed. Chilled AC में बैठूँ because I am feeling so hot right now. And ये लोग इतना time लगा रहे हैं ना just for one single drink because everyone is drinking these kind of drinks. Coffee is nowhere. Oh thank God, finally. Oh my God, is it so huge? It's okay, we are sharing. We got one large which we gonna share but फिर भी कुछ ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
This thing.
But हमने इसका sugar नहीं रखा है ना?
No,
This is no sugar.
1, 2, 3.
Let me have the first taste of the real fruit thing. बहुत chilled है, so I badly need it. Oh my God, it feels. I can feel it going from my food pipe.
अच्छा है right?
इतना chilled है ना. It's not having sugar, so kind of okay. अगर sugar होता तो tasty होता. But mango में already अपना sugar होता है ना.
Mango sugary right?
Exactly. So it's so good, refreshing. I think now I can start my shopping. इतना तो हो ही जाएगा जब तक मेरी shopping खत्म होएगी तो इतना तो खत्म हो ही जाएगा.
It's a normal weekend getaway right?
Yeah. Like obviously we are not focused on shopping. The main motive was to get out of our house, get out of our bed and everything. The sofa where we were sitting all the day. Not all the day, after office. You can see the crowd here. Oh my God, it's so packed Saturday के दिन and इतनी गर्मी में. Just look at the Crocs line. Oh my God, मैं wait कर रही थी Crocs का line up खत्म हो जाए. But I think it's over, Imran. There is no line up.
People still standing there.
I really like this one. I don't know, ये ज़्यादा गर्ली है पर बहुत अच्छे नहीं हैं इनके चैम्स ज़्यादा लगाए हुए हैं इन्होंने. It's too much, right?
But this is separate right?
Obviously. And can you see? Yeah, this is my size. इसकी position है ना, it's all gone. It's so dirty. Oh my God, please ignore my Crocs. How is it? I think ये जो chams है ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही लगे हुए हैं इसमें. I don't know why Imran hates Crocs. I am forcing him to buy this one because it looks cute. But Imran को Crocs की जो shape है ना वो बहुत गंदी लगती है. And I am.
So the legs are very big right?
No, I am convincing Imran from last 6 months to get a Crocs for himself. And I'm just explaining him the benefits of how ये जो यहाँ पे dots है ना, the acupuncture thing, they give you comfort more than a sports shoe. trust me on this. So I don't know. Imran, can we try at least?
Let me see what is this.
Fingers crossed.
Superman.
Okay, don't buy the Superman. Buy the normal one.
I'm good.
No? Oh my god, guys, it's so hot. We are so tired. It's 5:30 right now and अभी भी temperature 33 है.
देवा अभी तक हम सिर्फ 2 शो में ही आ रहे हैं.
And we have been to just 2 stores. And store में अंदर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The moment you come out, you get that heat wave on your face. It slaps on your face. So we are done with kind of some shopping, but the rest of it is still pending. So I don't know. We're gonna skip the rest of it because lineups बहुत ज़्यादा है हर store में. We're gonna go for few things. But after that we're gonna leave for Niagara Falls for sure. Not the falls, sorry, on the lake. So we finally left from Niagara Outlets. It's 6 PM and अभी तक हमने lunch भी नहीं किया. Although हमने Tim Hortons से breakfast बहुत ज़्यादा late किया था. Now I'm searching for a restaurant which is super big task. Imran is least interested in it, so I have to search it always. And मुझे अब बहुत सारे options मिल रहे हैं. And again, you know, getting a lot of options means getting confused. So I'm just searching for a quick thing. Maybe Imran, pizza is good?
Yeah,
Because Pizza Hut is near.
Pizza with the garlic bread.
I think let's search for more restaurants and get because I am so hungry. Imran, बहुत सारे restaurants के options है. Can you give me an option what you wanna eat? What?
Subway.
Imran, Subway तो नहीं खा सकती मैं.
Pizza is good, right?
Pizza? I think pizza is the safest option because एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट भी है, उसकी रेटिंग 4.4 है. इट्स समथिंग रंगला पंजाब इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, बेस्ट फूड इन नाइग्रा फॉल्स. इट्स 4.4.
Let's try.
नो,
Let's try. This is pizza Indian restaurant, right?
इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट. या
Go with the pizza.
ओके. As usual, we don't get a good response from Imran. Finally, we got the Domino's here, and we are waiting for our order from last 15 minutes. And can you guys imagine? मैं इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे भूख लग रही है. And you know what I'm seeing in front of my eyes? Let me show you from the back camera. So the pizza is finally here. Imran, chili flakes लाए थोड़े से?
Yeah, this is
I'm
chili
so
flakes,
hungry. Let's go to the Niagara on the lake and let's dig in the pizza. गाड़ी में बैठ के भी इतनी गर्मी लगती है ना because it's too hot to be inside. So finally we got the parking. यहाँ पे parking मिलना is a biggest task. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि सारे लोग आज Niagara outlets, Niagara on the lakes ही आए. Just see how packed it is. And now we have to find a good spot because it's too sunny. थोड़ा सा shadow में हमें लेना पड़ेगा, which Imran Khan will search. So let's go. So we are very confused with the location. ये वाला एक अच्छा हमें spot लग रहा है जहाँ पे sunlight नहीं है. Rest. Yeah, let's just
See this one.
go with it. Yeah, let's just go with it. Yeah. चलो फिर यहीं पे बैठ जाते हैं. Finally we changed the spot and we got the bang on spot, Imran, right? Just in front of the.
Because of me.
तुम्हारी वजह से नहीं इमरान, मेरी वजह से. So we have the Niagara on the lakes here and we are sitting here. And you know what's the best thing? हमें यहाँ पे ये bench भी मिल गया for our stuff. So we are gonna keep stuff here. We're gonna sit here, and then that's the lake.
It's sweating बाबा.
गर्मी तो बहुत है obviously, but अभी थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है temperature है ना.
अब तो next उसके
Let's just eat because I'm so hungry. Pizza is looking good.
So let's
let's
try
just-
this one. Your
Yeah, chili flakes दोनों packets डाल दो.
दोनों?
Yeah,
Only one.
just 2 of them. Temperature थोड़ा सा better हो रहा है, but it's still. So after a very hectic day, we are here for our dinner and it's 10:50 right now. And we are here in the Mississauga Ridgeway Plaza, which was on the way. And दिन में भी हमारा lunch 5 o'clock 6ish हुआ है, which was just the pizza as you guys saw. So we are very hungry and we are here at the Karahi Boys. I don't know, this place is full of restaurants, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा confused हो जाते हो. Same for us, we get confused a lot. So I have heard a lot about this place on the internet, Karahi Boys, and इनकी बाकी सारी branches भी हैं. So we are here at the prime location. So they have a lot of options, like a lot of options. इनका मेन्यू तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे शादी का कार्ड है इंडिया में. Anyway, let's just focus on the food. इमरान, क्या ऑर्डर करना है? They are specialized in कढ़ाहीज. कढ़ाहीज बोलते हैं या कढ़ाहीज बोलते हैं? कढ़ाहीज. So chicken or mutton?
Chicken is good.
Lamb. They have lamb and they have chicken as well. So we're
They have
gonna.
this big naan, right?
They have a family naan and there's one table हमारे बिल्कुल साइड में, मतलब सामने है, एंड हैंगिंग नान आया है हुक्स में placed, but it's a family naan. So I think it's not probably for us. Not for 2 people. It would be a lot for us. But this is something fancy I have seen for the first time.
Fancy stuff.
Yeah. नान को मतलब लटका रहे हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या है. I'll show you, but it's not good to record. I'll record Imran and then you can see from the back. Anyway, let's focus on what to order. Imran, please. Chicken.
Chicken is good for you.
And let's just order because यहाँ पे टेबल मिलना भी इतना मुश्किल है ना. रिजवे प्लाजा का हर रेस्टोरेंट इज़ फुली पैक्ड. We got the table like just in front of the door. You can see people coming from the background. Anyway, let me just order and let me first show you how the naan is hanging. Imran is busy with the phone and that's the naan. If you can see, like that hanging thing with the naan. And this is the Pakistani restaurant full of Pakistani vibe. So we got our chicken, Jersey chicken है ये?
Jersey?
Jersey chicken.
ये मंगाया Jersey.
We got the naan. This is the garlic naan and we are getting more naans. But this is the Jersey chicken. So Imran, let's eat.
Let's go, guys.
So guys, we are done with the dinner and you can see the Ridgeway Plaza ka crowd. It's 11:50 right now and still the crowd is on. I hope you guys like this vlog. I know the vlog was something else,
Very
but
fast vlog.
yeah, but it was like I was supposed to do something which I couldn't because of the
But it's a
weather.
very long day for us.
It was a very hectic and a long
Long
day,
day.
and 33 maybe it was feeling like 50. So if you do like this vlog, subscribe to the channel, like the vlog, and see you in the next one. I hope the next one would be better because I don't know, Canada में कभी
can
भी
give more
weather
time, right?
नहीं, कनाडा का वेदर कभी भी सूदिंग नहीं रहता, या तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड
I have
माइनस
seen that minus
30.
extreme जाएगा like negative and
exactly,
extreme
and
plus.
then plus में भी it feels like sun is like over you. Today it was like, oh god, मुझे ऐसे लगा I'm not in Canada, I'm back in Delhi, and it felt like 45.
Yep.
So it was so crazy. So anyway, if you do like this vlog, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.
Next
Imran, you
vlog,
want to say
guys.
something?
I will be driving.
Imran is driving since morning.
I think I have drive almost 5.5 hours. I guess.
Okay.
6 घंटे हो गया था.
Yeah, I know. क्योंकि हम सुबह भी ट्रैफिक में फंस गए थे ना.
So see, okay, perfect.
Alright, the best part only about today's day is the shopping. That's it, right?
Kind of.
Rest is also good. You should be thankful for the day. So see you in the next one. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye.